Hello there, it's time for another vlog. Oh, I think my lens is a bit... Let's clean this up. Yeah, that looks better. So my last vlog was filmed on the Sony Alpha 6400. And I gotta say, I enjoyed the quality so much. But today we're back to the Osmo Action, so this whole vlog is, again, as so often, filmed with the Osmo Action 1. But I do have to say that I already miss the quality of the Alpha 6400. But since I'm going into the city, I cannot drag this huge, I mean, it's not a huge setup, but I had the Alpha 6400 mostly with the Sigma 16mm prime lens on, and it's a heavy combo. And also everyone immediately notices that you have a camera in your hand, so if I go into shops and stuff like that, I will probably be approached by people who will be like, oh, why are you filming? Or what are you doing here? And then I was like, yeah, you know, it's for YouTube, it's a vlog, it's, you know, and then people are like, yeah, just don't do that here. So yeah, long story short, that's why I'm bringing the Osmo Action, because that's the advantage of those small little tiny cameras. You can put them anywhere, they don't take a lot of space. And yeah, but yeah, the image quality, maybe someday it will be the whole package, but until then I'm gonna switch between the two. Did I just leave the house with just one battery, which has only 37% left? Yes, I did. Is that insanely stupid? Yes, it is, but challenge accepted. I'm trying to vlog with only like 30% battery left on my Osmo Action. So it's gonna be fun. So if it's a short one, just, you know, that's the reason why. It's really gorgeous outside. You don't really see the sunset because otherwise I would be underexposed, but it's really beautiful and colorful and love it. Heading out with one battery having 37% ended up with me vlogging as little as possible, so I hope I have enough footage. I'm talking now, so, you know, I grabbed a new battery, of course. I have to say, when it comes to vlogging, I think quality is not always key. So having a small camera and putting it in a pocket and going around and shooting stuff and just taking you guys with me through my day, that's definitely a good thing. A part of me, the filmmaker part of me, would prefer to always use a real camera, but it's just so heavy. And I looked into like the ZV-1 and stuff, but so far, I don't know. Doesn't really make me want to buy one for now. Anyhow, I hope you had fun. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment if you like IKEA. Who doesn't? And also, have a good day.